Welcome to Springside at Seneca Hill. Our one-bedroom apartments have a spacious open floor plan. Our open floor plan allows all residents to have plenty of room to entertain for their friends and loved ones. The roomy bedroom gives you enough space to enjoy a great night's sleep. Residents can enjoy our many amenities such as chef-style meals, transportation services, laundry and housekeeping, and free Wi-Fi, just to name a few. For premier living, consider Springside at Seneca Hill and schedule your tour today.